Hello friends, I am Pooja and welcome to Cook Smart. Today we are going to make rice kheer. So let's get started with the recipe. Here I have taken basmati rice. You can take any brand of your choice. In a blending jar, take 4 tablespoons of rice. Now close lid and grind it coarsely. I will show you the texture of rice. This process will reduce cooking time and fuel. Let's rinse it with water. Now soak rice in hot water for at least 20 minutes. Till then, to make kheer, take a thick bottom pan. Here I have taken a wok. You can take pan or utensil. Now add a glass of water and boil for a minute. Once water is boiled, rinse it. This process will help to remove oil present in pores of a wok. Now take half a liter of full fat milk and turn on the flame. Once milk is boiled, reduce the flame and add soaked rice. Here I have drained out the excess water before adding it into the milk. Now boil milk on a low heat for about 20 minutes. Stir it frequently so the milk will not stick at the bottom of a wok. Otherwise, it will change taste of kheer. Few minutes later, milk has been reduced. When milk gets deposited on the sides, scrape it and mix it into the kheer. This will help to thicken the kheer. It's almost 20 minutes. Let's check whether the kheer is cooked. Rice gets well mashed. It means rice is cooked. Now let's add some dry fruits. Here I have taken cashews, pistachios, almonds and chironji. You can add nuts of your choice. Now add 5 tablespoons of sugar and mix it well. You can adjust the quantity of sugar as per your taste. Note it, add sugar when rice is completely cooked. If you will add it before, rice will take time to cook. So always remember to add sugar at last. You can see the consistency of kheer. I will suggest not to reduce milk more than this. As kheer will get cool, it will become thicker. Now turn off the flame and add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Adding cardamom powder at last will long last its taste and fragrance. Kheer is ready. Let's serve it in a bowl. You can see the consistency of kheer. It's neither thick nor thin, just perfect. You can serve it hot or chilled. Garnish with few nuts and kheer is ready. I hope you like my today's recipe. If you're new to channel, subscribe it for more such recipes. Till then, make rice kheer and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below.